Hello YouTube. Well, this video has been a long time coming, but I'm onto the handle. So, I'll take a look. Here is the handle design I've come up with. Okay, here's a much better picture of the handle. I'm going to put this on the wood and cut it out on the bandsaw. Here we go. I'm going to spray this with a little bit of spray adhesive. And oh yeah, that's pretty good. Let that tack up, and it is tacky. I'm using the 3M General Purpose 45. I don't think it sticks quite as much as some of the others. I believe there's a 70. But this stuff works just good for me. I can reapply it as needed. Alright, let's get this over to the bandsaw. Okay, what you didn't see off camera was I drilled the hole for the pivot point, and I actually sprayed some spray adhesive on the two pieces of sample handle so that I can cut them together at the same time. Let's move on to the cutting. Alright, there we go. And move on to the sander. Okay, I'll have to excuse the lighting. I don't have my shop completely set up right now, but here's my little mini solution to sanding the small radiuses until I get one of those sanders that you can, the oscillating one with the different spools. This is what I got right now. So here we go. There you can see the results from the spindle sander. Let's go ahead and see how it lines up the handle and the blade. Alright, now I don't know the whole line of 3M products, but this adhesive right here, the general adhesive or general purpose 45, says bonds in minutes, photo safe. So I'm assuming that you wouldn't want to ruin a photo, so it's not going to be that strong, but it holds together pretty good, as witnessed by this right here. See, I can barely get this part. There it goes. I'm probably gonna have to get a putty knife. Something to get underneath there. Okay, let's try this again. Get it apart. There we go. There we go. Either hit it with a little sandpaper, a little bit of acetone. Should get that glue right off. Alright, all I have is a little paint thinner. So let me see how that works. Oh! There we go. Let's see how it works. Seems to work pretty good. Not too shabby. Now I just got to clean up from this. Alright, well, that seemed to get it off pretty good. There's a little bit left on the paper part. Not too concerned about that. We'll leave the paper on there for now. See how the blade lines up. I'll give you guys a look at how well it's fitting together. Alright, here we go. Okay, so here we go. Here's kind of a rough idea. Of what it's going to look like right there. Close it and it'll have that kind of look to it, like so. Like so. And once again open. Alright. There we go. Here's my progress so far with the build along. Got the handle down and a really good functioning example of what it's going to be. So as far as the build along, I'm considerably behind. That doesn't really concern me. This knife is for my son. It was never really a race for me to build this per se, but mainly the biggest thing I wanted to have was the video log and the record of me building this for my son. So I can present him the knife and the video. He can always look back and see what I built for him and how I built it. And in addition to the video for my son to go along with this knife, there'll be a video series that I'm going to put together where you can build your own if you like. And I hope this does inspire you to build your own. I had no idea what it was going to involve, and it's going along a lot easier than I thought. I have not put a lot of time into this. Whatever free time I have had between the move and everything, I put into this, and it's coming out great. It's going to be a really awesome looking knife, and I look forward to you watching my further videos as I finish up the build, and I hope you are inspired to build one. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.